Welcome back. We treated example A in last class, and this is example B. In last class, we treated the operation which was multiplication. Now it is division. And I told you that the rule, which is the rule number 2, when you are dividing, when you have to divide two logarithms, that is log 189.7 divided by log 34.8, you are going to subtract the answer you got when you did the logarithm of the denominator from the logarithm of the numerator. Do you get? Now let us see. This tells you to do log 189.7 all over log 34.8. And I told you the answer of this, you just say this one, the answer of this minus the answer of this. And let's see. Number log. Okay, this is the number 189.7. What logarithm you go and use your logarithm table. Now we see what we have here is, of course, you know this already, 189. That is 3 digits. So we have it to be what? 3 minus 1. It gives you 2, right? That will be 2 points. Then whatever it is you get from your logarithm, you put it in there, and that's your manchester. All right, 189.7. That's 18 under 9. Then difference 7. Let's check our logarithm table. 18 under 9 gives us 2765. Difference 7 gives us 16. Let's do our addition. 5 plus 6 gives us 11, right? Put 1 here. 1 plus 6 gives us 7, plus 1 gives us 8, right? 7, 2. We have 2781, 0.2781. So 2781. That is the log of this. Now, the second one, 34.8. 34.8. We have 2 digits, right? That will be 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, which gives us 1. Now, you have it to be 1 point. Now, 34 under 8. 34 under 8. Let's take our logarithm table. 34 under 8 gives us 5416. There is no difference, so we just put it here. 0.5416 here. 5416. And this is the log of this, this is the log of this. And now, back to the operation. Operation says division, and I told you to be what? Subtraction. In this case, to be the answer of this minus. So, you have this to be this. Now, let's see our subtraction. That's 0.7365. Thank you. Okay, now, basically, you can just use calculator for this. That is 189.8 divided by 34.8. So, make it, we round it up to 3 significant figures. 189.7 divided by 34.8. That gives us 5.451. 3 significant figure, that will be 5.45. Thank you.